Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you editing eRA within the system options. The editing eRA is used when a medical aid electronic remittance is received and imported into the GoodX system. The editing eRA tab allows the user to determine how accurate the eRA to program matching should be and how much manual intervention will be required when the data is imported. An electronic remittance advice is a communication between the medical aid and the practice about the payment of a group of claims. eRAs are used as a reference for a bulk payment run from the medical aid and to allow the importing of payments received into the GoodX system. eRAs save time and eliminate errors when capturing payments made by the medical aid. In this video, we will start on the System Options EDI connection screen. For more information on how to navigate to the System Options EDI connection screen, please refer to the EDI user manual linked in this video's description. On the System Options EDI connection screen, click on the Editing eRA tab. An explanation will be given for each option. The automatically resolve payment when saving allocation and unlinked amount equals 0 checkbox is for when an imported eRA equals 0. The system allocates and resolves the eRA automatically. The user will not have to manually resolve and allocate the eRA when the total amount is 0. Next, we will look at the probability parameters section. Using specific setup criteria, probability parameters allow the system to determine how quickly and accurately an eRA is imported. Only show matches with probability greater than means if a debtor's surname is a 100% match and a debtor's name is a 95% match, the system will add the percentages and give an average percentage of the two. The person with the highest percentage on the outcome of the search will be a match. Number of possible matches to show on screen allows the user to select the amount of matches that will show on screen when doing a search. The suggested number is between 10 and 60. Similarity limits accuracy on matching means that the user can specify the precision with which information is matched. The match with the highest percentage will be the most accurate match. The limit of similarity can be between 0 and 1. Please note that changing the probability parameter should be done with caution, since it may affect the time and efficiency with which an eRA is imported. Click on the Print Options button to print the setup of all System Options tabs. Click on the Save button to save the changes that have been made. Please note that the Save button will only appear if changes have been made to the settings. The Confirmation Changes screen will open. Click on the Please Rectify a Reason for the Changes Made free text field to give a reason as to why the changes have been made. Click on the Cancel button to go back to the EDI screen. No changes will be saved. Click on the OK button to save changes that have been made. Click on the Exit button to close the System Options EDI connection screen and return to the System Options screen.